How to reset a Whirlpool washing machine. If your Whirlpool washing machine isn't working properly, resetting it might be the quickest way to fix the issue. Fortunately, the process is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Step 1. Pause and reset. The easiest way to reset your Whirlpool washing machine is by pausing the cycle. Simply press the pause or cancel button and hold it for a few seconds. This should stop the machine and clear minor errors. If your washer has a dedicated reset button, pressing and holding it will often restart the system. Step 2. Unplug the machine. If the first method doesn't work, try unplugging the washing machine from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the internal system to reset. Then, plug it back in and check if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Open and close the lid. For top-loading Whirlpool washing machines, opening and closing the lid multiple times can sometimes reset the system. Lift the lid at least 6 times within 12 seconds, making sure it fully opens and closes each time. This signals the machine to restart and can clear certain error codes. Step 4. Reset via control panel. Some Whirlpool models have a control panel reset sequence. You may need to press a combination of buttons such as power, start, cancel, power, rinse, spin. Check your user manual to see if your washer has a specific button sequence for resetting. Step 5. Run a test cycle. After performing a reset, run a short wash cycle without any laundry. This helps verify that the machine is functioning properly and that the reset was successful. When to call a technician. If your Whirlpool washing machine is still not working after resetting it, there could be a more serious problem, such as a faulty control board or drainage issue. In this case, contacting a professional technician is the best option. Now that you know how to reset a Whirlpool washing machine, you can quickly get your appliance back in working order and avoid unnecessary service calls.